morning, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste, suswagatam. कैसे हैं आप सब? कशे आहात तुम्ही? My name is Khyati Kawa, and on behalf of Himalaya Wellness Company, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome. It is my personal passion to collaborate with companies and organizations and initiatives that work towards the betterment of society, be it through their sustainability initiatives, environment conservation, or uplifting the ones in need. So, I am absolutely delighted to be associated with today's very special event, where we, you, me, all of us have gathered on this platform for a noble cause. Welcome once again. ये मुस्कान है आपके चेहरे पे, ये जो मुस्कान है, इस मुस्कान की भी जरूर एक कहानी है ना? और ऐसी कितनी कहानियां हैं जो हम पढ़ नहीं पाते, बस इसी वजह से क्योंकि कितने बच्चे खुल के मुस्कुरा नहीं पाते। और आज इस वर्ल्ड स्माइल दिवस पर we have gathered here to add smiles to many more families across India. Firstly, on behalf of all of us at Himalaya Wellness Company, I wish all of you a very happy World Smile Day. Now, Smile, which is also known as Muskaan. Muskaan is an initiative by Himalaya Lip Care in partnership with Smile Train India, which has been a long-standing initiative. And I would like all of you to join us in this initiative. Himalaya Wellness Company has a legacy of over 90 years of creating brands that improve millions of lives across the world. And Smile Train is an international cleft care NGO which provides free surgery and comprehensive cleft care to children in need. Globally, Smile Train has done more than 1.5 million surgeries. Isn't that amazing? And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome and introduce all the representatives of the initiative here who have joined us on this very special day. I'd like to welcome Mr. Rajesh Krishnamurthy, Business Director, Consumer Products Division, Himalaya Wellness Company. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we also have with us Ms. Mamta Carroll, Senior Vice President and Regional Director, Asia from Smile Train. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Khyati, and welcome everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to have Dr. Nitin Mokal, Senior Plastic Surgeon, SRCC Children's Hospital, Mumbai. A very warm welcome to you, Doctor.
Thank you.
Welcome, Doctor. And ladies and gentlemen, it is our absolute pleasure to have an actor, screenwriter, National Film Award winner, Mr. Atul Kulkarni, join us on this initiative. A very warm welcome to you, Mr. Kulkarni.
Thank you. Thank you.
So let us start and just understand more about the initiative. I'm sure आप सबके दिलो दिमाग में कुछ सवाल जरूर होंगे कि मुस्कान ये initiative है क्या, right? So for that, I would like to call upon Mr. Rajesh Krishnamurthy once again, who's from Himalaya Wellness Company, as I said, to speak about the initiative and light the path for all of us. Mr. Krishnamurthy, over to you.
Thank you, Kathy. Good morning, everybody, and again, welcome to the World Smile Day today as we celebrate an important event in partnership with Smile Train. I also want to welcome Mr. Atul Kulkarni, Mr. Mamta Carroll from Smile Train, Dr. Nitin Mokal, Senior Plastic Surgeon from Mumbai, and many others from the Himalaya team who has made this event a very good event to start off on the World Smile Day. So let me start my presentation and talk about what is Muskaan. And I think Kathy talked about it, but it's all about spreading smiles and fulfilling dreams. And Himalaya has been running this event in partnership with Smile Train for the past 5 to 6 years. The agenda for today's presentation is I will talk about a little bit introduction about the company, the brand Himalaya, the partners, Smile Train. Of course, Mamta Carroll will talk a lot more about the role of Smile Train in this partnership. We'll talk about cleft, what is cleft, why it is important, how is cleft impacting a lot of young children in India. We'll talk about Himalaya Lip Care. Again, this is the brand which we have taken to support the cleft initiatives in India. The journey so far we have had on Muskan, and then of course this year, as part of a series of states, what we look at this year, the plan is for Maharashtra, and we'll little bit talk about and why we're going into Maharashtra. So let me start off with a small introduction about Himalaya. I think every one of us know about the brand. Himalaya has been here in India since 1930, present in India and globally, known primarily for scientifically researched herbal healthcare and head-to-heel wellness. In fact, we have changed the name of the company to Himalaya Wellness Company about a month back. And what we mean as head-to-heel wellness is about we launching products. We present in many categories where we provide wellness. Talk about shampoo, talk about neem face wash, talk about Leaf 52 or baby care, and a head-to-heel wellness company is where our vision has been. And in the process of we being a wellness company, we are committed to making a difference to the consumers in India and the broader society. If you look at the brand purpose, and that is what is translated to brand purpose for us, which is wellness in every home and happiness in every heart. Kush Raho, Kushal Raho. And this has been the purpose which every initiative in Himalaya is going towards it. If you look at different categories or different initiatives we do, we make sure that each of these delivers the brand purpose, what we have. Let me talk about our partner Smile Train, whom we have partnered for the past 6 to 7 years. Smile Train is the world's largest cleft-focused NGO, and they are dedicated to solving one problem in the world, which is solving the cleft lip and palate. And in Hindi, it's Kata Ot, Kata Talu, where I think this is something which is an amazing work has been done throughout the world by Smile Train. So far, Kathy talked about 1.5 million surgeries around the world. I think in India, they have done about 6.5 lakh surgeries has been sponsored by Smile Train overall. And they have been present in India for the past 20 years. So what is cleft? Now, cleft, for many of us who have probably hearing for the first time, this is a gap which exists between the upper lip and the lower palate. If you look at the visual on the left-hand side of the circle, that is how a poor child will look like when she or he has a cleft lip. Now, this usually occurs during birth time, and it's an anomaly, as what is to talk about. And when you have it, it is very obvious that children face difficulty in speaking, more importantly, eating and even breathing. So it does create a lot of discomfort for children, and because of them unable to eat or chew the food, it results in a risk of severe malnutrition. And I think that is the unfortunate part of having cleft when you're born. Now, cleft in India has been there for some time, and in fact, every year, about 35,000 children are born with cleft every year. And in addition to this, there are a lot of children who have still suffering from cleft and are waiting treatment. And part of the reasons why they are not having treatment is because of lack of awareness. Many of parents, many of the children where they're born, they're not aware that this cleft problem can be treated. And there's also, of course, a lot of cultural and a lot of old thought process where it says that cleft could be caused due to bad deeds or eclipse nonsense. But the good thing is that the cleft can be treated, and that is what one of the prime purpose of this journey is, to create awareness about treatment of cleft. The cleft, Himalaya has a wide range of categories. But the reason why we chose Himalaya Lip Care is because Himalaya Lip Care is a leading brand in the lip care category. We are a market leader in the category. And we, in line with our purpose of providing wellness and happiness, we are providing through lip care nourished and healthy lips. And when we looked at around for this category, we realized that we are in the business in the category of providing nourished and healthy lips, but there are so many children today who don't even have proper lips. And that is is why we took the initiative to support this partnership with Smile Train so that we can do whatever possible to bring a natural smile to many of the children who are having cleft lip. About Muskan, Muskan was launched in 2015 with partnership Smile Train. We did this a long time back. The objective primarily is one is spreading awareness. As I said, a lot of mothers, parents, children don't know that the cleft can be treated. And in the process, we are also supporting some of the free cleft surgeries, which happens with the doctors and with the hospitals in partnership. Of course, and we want to do here is bring about societal improvement and bring a smile to everyone who has to suffer from this. The journey of the campaign has been quite a bit. What we do every year is we select states. We started our journey in home state Karnataka in 2016-17. We went to UP, Uttarakhand in Lucknow. We did an event for cleft lip. Then last year we went to MP and Chhattisgarh. The year before last. And last year was West Bengal, where we did a partnership in Calcutta about cleft lip. In this journey, in the last 5 to 6 years, with 6 states, we, in partnership with Smile Train, has positively impacted more than 2,000 families in providing help for the children. The way we manage this is in terms of contribution is that we do talk about in our packaging where every pack of what we sell of the premium lip balm, we contribute ₹3 towards the cleft supported surgeries. It's also a voluntary support from the consumers who get it. But despite all this stuff, we make sure that whatever surgeries are planned for the year, we contribute in helping whatever possible to support it. Now we come to 2021, and what is unique about this year, Cleft Awareness Campaign 2021, is all about the Muskan, what we do. But more importantly, I think we have taken today, October 1st, as an event, World Smile Day. And I think it's a great opportunity for me to launch the Cleft campaign for 2021 on World Smile Day. And we are truly excited. And I think the journey from here onwards in Maharashtra is where we can help provide those smile for many of the children who are suffering with cleft. What we're doing in the World Smile Day today is we are going to start with a multimedia campaign through TV, digital, social media, and even through on the road, so that we can create more awareness. A lot of parents can get to hear about it and take their children towards the nearest hospital for treatment. Why Maharashtra? I think when you look at in India, we have 35,000 babies born with cleft every year. Maharashtra contributes close to 10% of that. So around 3,000 babies are born every year with cleft. More importantly, there is a huge backlog, which means that still there are a lot of parents who are not aware that a solution could be provided. It has got a bigger rural population where there is more need to create awareness about a solution for cleft. And so I think that is why we have chosen Maharashtra this time. And it's a journey as we move from state to state to bring smile to everybody. So that is a little bit introduction background from me on Himalaya and the Smile Train partnership. And I'm truly excited to start this journey in Maharashtra with 8-9 Muskan, spreading smiles and fulfilling dreams. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Rajesh Krishnamurthy, for sharing the thought behind the initiative. हम कहते हैं ना, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, और उन मासूम चेहरों पर मुस्कान लाने के लिए हिमालय वेलनेस कंपनी ने ऑफ कोर्स पार्टनरशिप की है स्माइल ट्रेन के साथ. तो क्यों ना अब मैं बुलाऊं मिस ममता कैरल, who is from Smile Train, of course, who will tell us and share with us about Cleft Care and Muskan's partnership. A very warm welcome to you, Miss Carol.
Thank you, Kathy. Good morning, everyone. Can you see my screen? Okay, so good morning, everyone. As you know, as Rajesh has spoken about the World Smile Day, and so has Kathy, so I must greet each one of you with a very beautiful smile that Smile Train creates, and a very, very happy World Smile Day to each one of you today. Smile is a celebration of the most universal, uniquely human, and gesture which symbolizes happiness, joy, greeting, and good cheer. Please join us in spreading smiles. I'm going to start with showing you a very short video. Can you play the video, please? So, as you all know, because Rajesh has already spoken about clefts and the cause of clefts, I'm here to tell you something about the organization and why we chose to focus on clefts and what is the kind of work that we do in the country and worldwide. So, Smile Train has worked in over 85 plus countries globally with a vision that every person, every child has access to high quality, comprehensive cleft care and is able to live a full and healthy life. In India, as Rajesh mentioned, that we have supported more than 6,50,000 surgeries since we started 20 years ago, with partnering with 150 partner hospitals. As you all know, may know that cleft lip and palate is the most common congenital anomalies affecting 1 in 700 live births. It can lead to a wide range of health problems, including feeding difficulties leading to malnutrition, oral health challenges, delays in speech and language development, and a long-term emotional and psychological health issues. Receiving timely and high quality surgical and anesthesia care, in addition to comprehensive care, is critical to the health and development of children impacted by clefts. So, what is this problem? Cleft, as I said, is basically a medical condition as it impacts the overall quality of life for the patient. Children with unrepaired clefts continue to live in isolation. They do not go to school, or even if they do go to school, sometimes they drop out because there's so much bullying and there's people ostracize and they can't play with their other children. They have limited employment opportunities and they may not live a normal life like you and I. The challenges in a country like India are manifold. One of the most important, which Rajesh said, and I'm going to repeat, is the lack of awareness. Many associate clefts with myths such as bad karma, the curse of gods, or the expectant mother may have used sharp objects or knife during an eclipse. So that is why people don't get it operated. They accept the condition and feel that it's the divine will or God's will and keep sitting. In rural areas specifically, people do not know that the cleft is correctable and they don't even approach the hospitals for treatment. So, what is the solution? Unlike other medical charities who do missions, so they fly into a country, they get their doctors, they get their equipment, they get whatever they have to, do the surgeries and go back. Smile Train is not such an organization. Smile Train believes in working with local doctors and not flying missions from abroad. Smile Train's sustainable model involves working with the local teams, capacity building, giving them the equipment, the know how, helping them with the infrastructure, helping them with funding to provide the essential cleft care to children. We not only provide just surgery, we look at the whole child. We provide comprehensive cleft care, which, medical missions like ones which come from abroad are not able to, because these kind of treatments have to be provided 24/7 to the cleft child. So this is what I spoke about, comprehensive cleft care, which is, speech therapy, orthodontic, psychosocial support. Comprehensive cleft care is intended to ensure long-term and successful rehabilitation of cleft patients and includes essential elements which go beyond surgery. This comprehensive approach is only possible because our model is focused on empowering local medical professionals and health systems to be available for families, all year round. We build capacity of our partner hospitals by providing equipment, training, thereby equipping them to provide safe and quality surgeries even in the most remotest of towns in the country. And this model is called a teach a man to fish model. So what happens when the child is treated with a cleft? When children are treated, they lead a normal life like usually other children do. They go to school, they can learn to eat, they can learn to speak properly, they do well in school, they have many friends, and then they grow up like normal kids. As I've said before, that in India, we have 150 partner hospitals across all the states in India. So we are very, very well covered. We've done almost 6.5 lakh surgeries, as you all know. And worldwide, we work in 85 plus countries. Specifically coming to Maharashtra, we have 12 partner hospitals in Bombay, in Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Latur, Akola, Jalgaon, Wardha, Kolhapur, Aurangabad, and Sholapur. Since we started in India, in Maharashtra alone, we have supported more than 49,000 cleft surgeries. We have 5 comprehensive cleft care centers in Maharashtra, one in Pune, in Nasik, and Latur, and Wardha. The most important day is today's event for us. It celebrates our partnership with a very dear corporate partner, Himalaya Healthcare. Himalaya Drug Company is a very valuable partner for Smile Train. The awareness campaigns launched by Himalaya Healthcare have helped Smile Train spread the message about clefts and their treatment amongst the general population and the children who need it. As we launch the Ek Naveen Muskan campaign in Maharashtra, we are sure that many, many children in need will get their forever smiles. We look forward and we thank Himalaya Drug Company and Himalaya Wellness Company now, as Rajesh said, for their generosity and for their partnership. So thank you very much. We're extremely proud to partner with you all. And thank you for your time. And thank you for listening to Smile Train. And a very happy World Smile Day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mamta.
Thank you so much, Miss Carol. And I'm sure उनकी बातें सुन के आपके चेहरे पे भी मुस्कान आई होगी, है ना? तो एक नवीन मुस्कान ये इनिशिएटिव के बारे में तो हमने जान लिया. आइए जानते हैं डॉक्टर नितिन मोकल से how he takes care of the cleft treatment in his practice. So let me welcome Dr. Nitin Mokal, Senior Plastic Surgeon, SRCC Children's Hospital, Mumbai, who will share with us more information about cleft treatment. A very warm welcome to you, Dr. Mokal.
Hello, friends. I feel very proud to be a part of this Himalaya Muskan campaign, which is a unique combination of a donor Himalaya, the NGO Smile Train, the partner hospitals and surgeons like me, and celebrities like Atul Kulkarni. The aim is to outreach the cleft and cleft palate deformities to give them, detecting them, give them a comprehensive cleft care free of cost. Move on, please. The patients with cleft are usually occurs in first 6 weeks of intrauterine life. The facial processes which are developed in first 6 weeks are failure to fuse, thereby leading to a failure to unite and leading to cleft lip and palate deformities. Usually it is 1 in 700 live births, and they usually present with difficulty in speaking, difficulty in feeding, hearing, and other things. Move on, please. The main cause of cleft is usually it is not known, but common is being a genetic factor. If your parents have got the cleft lip, the child will have cleft. Then the environmental factors like alcoholism, if the mother is taking alcohol, smoking, drugs induced, and a vitamin deficiency, mainly the folate and zinc deficiency. These are the causative factors of the cleft lip and palate. Move on, please. These are the patients. May I have words? I cannot see the PowerPoint. It's in a smaller view. Yeah, okay. Yeah. The cleft lip repair is done within first 3 to 6 months of life when the weight is more than 5 kilogram and the hemoglobin is adequate enough to give the anesthesia that is more than 10 gram percent. And we do repair and the nose simultaneously. Then after 4 months of a gap, we do operate on the cleft palate, which is a functional operation, in which we repair the speech muscles together, which in order to provide them a good speech results. Move on. At the time of birth, when the child presents with a newborn child, it is very important to take in considering the parents of the child, the caregivers, that is not none of their fault of giving the birth to the cleft child. You have to explain to them about the feeding purpose, encourage the breastfeeding by providing the videos which are there online on the Smile Train website to provide a video about the breastfeeding as well as give them information about some of the bottle feeds available which are good for the cleft palate patients. We also recommend these patients to our colleague, the orthodontic colleagues. They do a nasoalveolar molding. With that, the gap between the palate becomes narrow and the nose is brought to a normal level. So the surgery becomes simple for the surgeon to perform on the lip and palate surgery. That is a nasoalveolar molding at the time of the birth. Then the surgical intervention will be done at the time of 4 months of cleft lip repair and cleft palate repair at the age of 8 months onward. We also provide the nutritional support, the speech therapy, the orthodontics, as well as a secondary surgical deformities can be corrected, like a lip nose revision, the alveolar bone graftings, and orthognathics, like some of the patients do have a maxillomandibular deficiency, which can be corrected by the augmentation or by doing orthognathic surgery. One. My journey with the Smile Train is since the Smile Train inception in India, that is in way back in 2001, where a late Mr. Kalra, Satish Kalra, was the regional director. He came to Wadia Children's Hospital, and Wadia Children's Hospital being the first hospital in Mumbai, taking care of the Smile Train patients. Then over the periods, then now we are taken the Shushruta Citizens Hospital and Isasasi Children's Hospital, which is we are doing the Smile Train cases totally free of cost. And I'm happy to know that we have performed almost 6,000 odd cases up till now in last 21 years. Move on, please. The story behind this girl is she is operated in 2017. Both the operations done within 1 year of life. And now she is 4-year-old girl, very confident, very good looking. And now recently she was in India Book Records for her recitation and acting. So see the amount of transformation occurs in children. So they can do recitation with fluent language as well as they can perform act and take part in the modeling and other parts of the drama competition. One, one. This particular boy is a Jayesh Suryavanshi. He was operated by me when he in 2097 when I was a lecturer in one of the government hospitals, that is Lokmanya Tilak Hospital. So both the operations were done there, lip and palate, but he was still following with me at a Smile Train center because this particular boy required orthodontia, that is aligning the jaw together and preparing the jaw for the bone graft surgery, which we do in a mixed dentition, that is between the 6 years of life to 9 years of life. That is the time the canine which comes down, which requires a good outflow of that canine down, and the orthodontist can put that canine and align that jaw very nicely. And now this boy has grown up well. He's 24 years of age and doing his computer education. So this is how the Smile Train helps, and we all help giving the comprehensive care to these patients. Next slide. Thank you very much for allowing me to participate in this program. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Nitin. That was really insightful given the kind of challenges and treatments required for those affected with cleft. Thank you very much for your time here and for your service. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we are moving forward, I'd like all of you to use the chat box to give your comments, send us your love, and how do you feel? Because this is not just about cosmetically making smiles better, but actually internally putting bright smiles on kids' faces. Now that we all understand that a simple surgery, really, a simple surgery can change lives and spread smiles with right awareness and courage, a child in need can definitely take this leap and lead a happier life. And अब देर किस बात की है ना? तो आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं और यहाँ मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी आप सबके तालियों के बीच. I'm sure we can do that virtually as well because we have with us 2 times National Award winner, actor, screenwriter, Mr. Atul Kulkarni, who's joined hands with Himalaya Lip Care and of course, Smile Train India to join this initiative, Ek Naveen Muskan. A very warm welcome to you, Mr. Kulkarni.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks.
So, Mr. Kulkarni, I just wanted to start with asking you about your childhood. हम बचपन से ही सब सपने तो जरूर देखते हैं. तो बचपन में आपका क्या सपना था? What were the dreams that you had?
नहीं, मुझे ऐसे कोई ड्रीम्स नहीं थे. हालांकि मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि हमने बहुत बड़ा कर दिया. बचपन में हम सपने देखते हैं, ऐसा होता नहीं है. सपने हमेशा बदलते रहते हैं. और काफ़ी दिनों बाद जब हम कुछ पढ़ाई करते हैं, बहुत सारी दुनिया देखते हैं, तो उसके बाद हमें जो सही सपना होता है वो मिल जाता है. So I think the same thing happened with me. I discovered acting almost when I was graduating. So in my college, I participated in a one-act play, and that's where this journey started. But still, I had not decided that I'll be a professional actor till then. So I graduated in Solapur. I am from Belgavi, from Karnataka. I was born there, but I was brought up in Solapur. So I did my graduation in Solapur. So after my graduation, I thought that I should try to take this as my profession. So I joined National School of Drama in New Delhi. I passed out from there in 95, and then I came to Mumbai and pursued my profession. So to answer your question, I think this dream came quite late, not in the childhood, really.
Mr. Kulkarni, then tell us some incidents that you must have seen or faced during your childhood, and a kid wanting to be an actor should definitely have confidence. Do you remember any stories from your childhood?
I recommend exactly opposite. The kids should not be exposed to too much of professional, acting. I'm deadly against it. As an experience, probably a parent can, take his or her child to some professional assignment, but otherwise, whatever is happening in school or in higher school, that is enough for them within the school. But if you really want to take it up as a profession, you need training, formal or informal training. So I very highly recommend all the parents who meet me on the sets, the parents of the children who are acting, that it's fine as an experience, 1 or 2 projects, but please keep them away, because for 2 reasons. A very important creative reason is that जैसा कि हम लोग देखते हैं कि बच्चे जो भी करते हैं, हर कोई बोलता है कि बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. तो एक गलत डेफिनेशंस एक्टिंग के दिमाग में बैठ जाते हैं बच्चों के, जो गलत होता है. वो एक्टिंग उसे नहीं कहते हैं. बहुत सारा उसके पीछे है, काफी सारे टेक्निक्स हैं. और दूसरी बात, एक्टिंग एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है कि उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारी और भी चीजें आ जाती हैं ग्लैमर की तरह, और बहुत सारे लोग पहचानने लगते हैं. स्कूल में आप अचानक हीरो बन जाते हो. तो आई हैव अ फीलिंग दैट इवन साइकोलॉजिकली दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन शुड नॉट बी एक्सपोज्ड to continuous professional exposure as far as acting is concerned. I very strongly believe.
So, Mr. Kulkarni, now that you're also associated with Muskan Initiative for Cleft Affected Children, so tell us something about your association.
Well, when I was approached for this, the very first image that I had in my mind was of a friend in my school, and he had cleft. I of course that time didn't know the name. I didn't even know that this could be treated, and what Rajesh sir and Mamta ma'am they have been saying, that awareness is extremely important, and I'm sure that me, my parents, the whole community around, very few must have had awareness that this could be treated. But what I distinctly remember is that friend of mine who, after I think 5th standard, he dropped out from our school. I don't know what happened to him later, but very strongly I have that image of my friend, and he was a very good friend of mine. What I had now recall is that that boy never used to talk to other people. He didn't have that kind of confidence. I think even at his home or with amongst his relatives, probably there was kind of a taboo, because of which I believe he was a very talented boy, because I remember his paintings, and I remember his study, the marks and all that. So a very talented boy. And now when I was approached, I remembered that friend after many years, and I wonder where that friend of mine is, and whether he was treated at the right time. But I think that it is extremely, extremely essential that this awareness is spread. आपल्या आजूबाजूला जी लोक असतात, त्यांना जर कुणाला ज्याला आपण दुभंगलेले ओठ म्हणतो, तसं जर काही असेल कुठल्या मुलाला, तर त्यांना सांगायला पाहिजे. तो अवेअरनेस स्प्रेड करायला पाहिजे in the society, that this can be treated. And I think Himalaya Lip Care, Smile Train, along with all the doctors and their hospitals, this is a great initiative, because this is not just a cosmetic surgery. फक्त चांगलं दिसावं म्हणून ही सर्जरी नाहीये, तर त्याचा खाण्यापिण्यावरती परिणाम होतो, मुलांच्या त्यांच्या हसण्यावरती परिणाम होतो. आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की एखादी व्यक्ती असेल, ती जर छान हसत असेल तर किती बरं वाटतं दुसऱ्यांना आणि त्या व्यक्तीला देखील. एक आत्मविश्वास येतो. कारण कुठलंही तुमच्या चेहऱ्यावरती असं काही असेल, दुभंगलेले ओठ वगैरे असतील, तर लोकांचं लक्ष पहिल्यांदा तिथे जातं आणि त्या व्यक्तीला, त्या मुलाला सतत असं वाटत राहतं की लोक इथे बघतायत, आपल्या ओठांकडे बघतायत. त्यांचा आत्मविश्वास कमी होतो. And that's why I think it is extremely, extremely, extremely important for any child with that kind of deformity that it is treated, and it is very easily treated. So I'm really happy that I'm associated with this initiative this year. I really thank Himalaya and Smile Train that they thought of me to get associated. And I'm really glad. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for involving me in this.
We are absolutely delighted with your presence in this initiative, Mr. Kulkarni. मला तुम्हाला प्रश्न करायचा आहे की तुम्ही मुनमुनची कथा पाहिली आहे? हो,
मला मुनमुनची कथा दाखवली होती आणि मला ती खूपच आवडली होती. जर if that is possible, can you show that to the audience? Is that possible?
Absolutely. I think this is the perfect time, Atulji, to show our viewers who are not just people from both the organizations, but also our media friends here. So can we have the video, please?
एरी मुनमुन अरे आजा सुन सुन हे तुन 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 एरी मुनमुन हवा के जैसी चुलबुली है, उड़ती फिरती बुलबुली है, ये ना रुकती बहती कल कल सबसे आगे सबसे अव्वल, अरे आती जाती गाती गुनगुन तुन 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 तुन।
बच्चों, इस जोड़ का उत्तर कौन लिख करके देगा?
सर, मैं। कबड्डी कबड्डी कबड्डी
घर मोहल्ले टोले टप्पर देखते हैं ठहर ठहर कर, जैसे कि ये कोई बाहुबली हो, सब उठाने पर तुली हो।
मुनमुन, मुनमुन, उठ जा। चल, जल्दी से बाहर आ जा। हाँ, जैसी चुलबुली है, उड़ती
फिरती बुलबुली है, ये ना रुकती बहती कल कल, सबसे आगे सबसे अव्वल। अरे आती जाती गाती गुनगुन टुन 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 टुन
Well, I'm sure the story of Munmun has touched all our hearts. I was teary-eyed and I could see that most of our dignitaries here were too. And अगर आप भी ऐसे ही कई सारी मुनमुन के चेहरे पर मुस्कान लाना चाहते हैं तो इस इनिशिएटिव के साथ जरूर जुड़ें. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask Atulji one last question before we let you go and have media ask you more questions. Atulji, या वर्षी मुस्कान इनिशिएटिव महाराष्ट्र केले जाते, the state that you have grown up in. So we wanted to know that what are your thoughts on this very special association and what would you like to say to the people of Maharashtra in regards to the initiative?
जवळजवळ 700 मुलं जर जन्मली तर त्यातल्या एकाला हा दुभंगलेल्या ओठाचा जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो असू शकतो, क्लेफ्टचा. 35,000 मुलं आपल्या देशामध्ये दरवर्षी अशी असतात की ज्यांना हा प्रॉब्लेम आहे, ही व्याधी आपण म्हणूया ती आहे. माझी तुम्हा सगळ्यांना विनंती आहे की याच्यावर इलाज आहे. दुभंगलेला ओठ हे जे मुलांमध्ये आपल्याला दिसतं त्याच्यावरती इलाज आहे, हे आपण जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचवलं पाहिजे. ह्याच्यावरती एक छोटंसं ऑपरेशन आहे ज्याला फक्त 45 मिनिटं लागतात आणि स्माइल ट्रेन, हिमालयाचं जे मुस्कान नावाचं जे इनिशिएटिव्ह आहे त्यांच्यातर्फे फुकट ही सर्जरी केली जाते. तर याचा फायदा जास्तीत जास्त लोकांनी घेतला पाहिजे. आणि माझी तुम्हा सगळ्यांना अशी विनंती आहे की तुमच्या घरात कुणी असेल किंवा तुमच्या आसपास जरी कुणी असेल तर एक हेल्पलाईन नंबर आहे, तो हेल्पलाईन नंबर तुम्हाला आमच्या स्क्रीनवरती दिसेल. त्या हेल्पलाईन नंबरवरती फोन करा. तुम्हाला सल्ला मिळेल की यासाठी काय करायला पाहिजे, कोणाला कॉन्टॅक्ट करायला पाहिजे. एक जर अशी व्यक्ती आपल्या आयुष्यात असेल की ज्यांना एक छोट्याशा व्याधीमुळे नीट हसता येत नसेल, नीट खाता येत नसेल, इतर त्याचे प्रॉब्लेम्स होत असतील, मानसिक प्रॉब्लेम्स, तर अशा व्यक्तीला आपण मदत केली तर किती छान आपल्याला वाटेल आणि आपलं जे हसू आहे ते किती प्रसन्न होईल. तर जरूर तुम्ही याविषयी माहिती पसरवा. असं जर कोणी पेशंट माहिती असेल तर या हेल्पलाईनवरती फोन करा आणि हा जो आज हास्य दिवस आहे, स्माइल डे आहे, त्याचा पुरेपूर आपण उपयोग करूया, फायदा घेऊया आणि लाखो मुलांच्या चेहऱ्यावरती हसू आणूया.
Thank you so much Atul ji, and I'm sure कि आपके बोलने से और आपके सपोर्ट से इस इनिशिएटिव में हम बहुत और कई सारे लोगों तक ये बात और ये अवेयरनेस पहुंचा पाएंगे, not only in Maharashtra but across the country. So thank you so much for joining us in this initiative. And once again, just repeating what Atul sir has just mentioned, that if you know of any child born with cleft lip or palate, don't be afraid. It is only a simple 45-minute surgery. Call the toll-free number that is displayed on the screen and register for a free surgery. Once again, I'd like to thank you, Atulji, for your time and association with the initiative. With this, we are coming to the end of the event, and I'd here like to welcome all our dignitaries back on the screen for your questions, because I'm sure कि आप सब यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं तो जरूर दिलो दिमाग में कोई ना कोई सवाल जरूर होगा. So I'd like to welcome back Mr. Rajesh Krishnamurthy, Ms. Mamta Carroll, Dr. Nitin Mokal, and Mr. Atul Kulkarni. Can we have our dignitaries back on screen? And for all of you, आप जरूर अपने सवाल chat box पर लिखकर हमें भेजें. To whoever it is directed to, any of our dignitaries, please put it in the chat box. I'm sure they'd be happy to come forward and answer your questions. I have already received few questions here. So if you have any more, send it out right away. And such a noble initiative, I must say. Like Atulji also said, कि ये सिर्फ cosmetically smile बिखेरनी नहीं है. It is a health treatment. It gets better with age. People get better with their speeches, eating, nutrition. I mean, there is so much to it than there is awareness about. So I think we should all join hands and spread the message as much as we can, because on World Smile Day, if we can spread more smiles, not just externally, but internally as well, I think we have done our job. So thank you firstly for all of you for joining us once again on this platform. और हमारे audience की तरफ से कई सवाल आए हैं. So I'm going to start with the first one that's come to us, which is for you, Mr. Krishnamurthy. It says, why did Himalaya think of partnering with this cause specifically 5 years back?
Yeah. So it's a good question, and I tell you, it's a very interesting question too, because this came from one of the employees in Himalaya. He had some contacts on Smile Train or the Cleft Lip, and he came to us with the idea of there is an organization, there is a need, whether we can support it. And I think Himalaya at the time, with the purpose what we had about wellness in every home and happiness in every heart, it brought this so much close to what we want to do. And at the time when it came on the lip care, and we realized that there's a great opportunity for us to not only provide healthy and nourished lips for many consumers, but also provide great lips for people who don't have, and it's unfortunate they don't have from birth. So that is where we started this. And we started in 2015, but we loved the whole initiative so much that we every year, my team here in Himalaya, the marketing team and the Smile Train team, we meticulously do this at every year. In fact, even during COVID times, when we could not go physically, we still conducted an event remotely and we still did this event. So there's a lot of passion we have in doing this every year, and this journey continues for us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Krishnamurthy. And our next question is actually for Dr. Mokal, for you. Yes. And it's a very valid question also, because I think iske liye bhi awareness bahut kam hai. What is the approximate cost for a cleft surgery?
In a private hospital, in a general ward, it will cost around 40 to 50,000 rupees. If you go into the special room, it will cost around lakh and a half. And we are providing free to all the Smile Train patients. Wonderful.
And I'm sure it is a heavy cost for a family to incur if they are not in the position to do so. So I'm sure that Himalayas and the Smile Trains initiative will help many kids who can't afford it. Thank you so much, Dr. Mokal. Atulji, our next question is for you from our media partners. It says, what attracted you to associate yourself with this campaign?
As I said earlier, I instantly remembered that friend of mine. I've not met him in many years, but that image is so much so in my mind. And because when I was provided by Himalayan Smile Train about the information about cleft, I thought that the main problem of awareness, that a simple surgery can correct this for life. And it is, as I said, it is not only just cosmetic, it is health-wise or mental health-wise as well, physical health and mental health. It is extremely important thing to do. And I thought that if I can help to spread this awareness in any way, I think I should do it. And that's why I just grabbed this opportunity.
Wonderful. And I'm sure that we are all delighted with your presence in the initiative. And I'm sure कि बहुत लोग इससे relate भी करते होंगे. हम अपनी जिंदगी में किसी ना किसी ऐसे इंसान को जानते हैं या देखा है किसी को who has suffered through cleft. And, if they had also received the right kind of awareness and surgery at the right time, could have led a better life. So I think it's a great message for all our viewers. Our next question again, doctor, it's for you. What is your assessment of cleft awareness in India? And are people apprehensive in coming forward to avail the treatment? Your take on it, doctor.
Now with a lot of media and other things available in the system, people are coming immediately. Like, we are getting a lot of newborns. In fact, some of the antenatal patients, the patients with the pregnant lady, the cleft lip is diagnosed on an ultrasound. They come to us and they get prepared for the delivery. So it is a good opportunity for the parents to identify what are the things you are going to do for the child which is born with the cleft. So and there is a bond which gets created between the doctor and the patient, that doctor has explained to us about the delivery, about the feeding of the child, then the neonatal care, what are the things to be avoided. All these things are very, very important. So the awareness is there. I don't know about the rural area, but in Mumbai, immediately most of the patients and even a lot of other associations like the Indian Pediatric Association, a lot of my pediatric friends, they are aware of this, that this is a system which is available. So the parents which are of a low strata, they are referred directly to me by giving my number, and then they come to meet me and get the treated.
All right. Thank you, doctor. Thank you for your answer. Ms. Carol, the next question is for you. How has the perception changed towards cleft from the earlier years to now? Being Smile Train being in India for 21 years almost. So has the perception really changed in the past years?
Yeah, so जैसे डॉक्टर मोकल ने कहा, and सब लोग अवेयरनेस की बात करते हैं, तो परसेप्शन स्ट्रोक अवेयरनेस जो क्लेफ्ट कंडीशन का है, देखिए, बिकॉज स्माइल ट्रेन 20-21 साल से इंडिया में काम कर रहा है, तो हमारे जो 150 हॉस्पिटल्स हैं उनकी जो टीम्स जाती हैं जगह जगह प्रचार करने या लोगों को काउंसलिंग करने या बताने कि भाई ये काटा होंठ काटा तालू जो है एक जन्म से विकृति है, एक डिफरेंस है जो बिल्कुल ठीक हो सकता है. तो ऑन ग्राउंड जो इन लोगों ने काम किया है, आई थिंक ऑल थैंक्स टू देम एंड देयर टीम्स जैसे डॉक्टर मोकल की टीम्स हैं और भी जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, इन सबकी जो टीम्स हैं उन्होंने बहुत ही बेइंतहा अच्छा काम किया है. और फिर हम लोगों ने जैसे गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज हैं, RBSK की टीम्स हैं, सशस्त्र सीमा बल है, बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स के साथ हमारा टाई अप है. तो इन सब कोलैबोरेशंस, फॉक्सी के साथ है, फेडरेशन ऑफ गायनेकोलॉजिकल सोसाइटीज, ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स एंड गायनेकोलॉजिकल सोसाइटीज ऑफ इंडिया. तो इन लोगों के साथ जो हमारा कोलैबोरेशन है और साथ में काम करने का जो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, उसने ये परसेप्शन चेंज करने का बहुत बेहतरीन काम किया है. लेकिन क्योंकि हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 35,000 चिल्ड्रन बीइंग बोर्न, न्यू बॉर्न चिल्ड्रन एवरी ईयर, तो हमारे तो पहले तो आंकड़े इतने ज़्यादा हैं, 1.3 बिलियन लोग हैं, 35,000 ऐसे बच्चे हर साल हमारे देश में जन्म लेते हैं. तो आप जितना भी करें अवेयरनेस के लिए वो कम है. वो इसलिए कम है क्योंकि जो नए जो बच्चे पैदा हो रहे हैं उनको तो हॉस्पिटल्स भाई न्यूनेटल आ रहे हैं या प्रेग्नेंट विमेन आ रही है कर रहे हैं, वो तो कर ही रहे हैं. लेकिन आप ये भी तो सोचिए कि बैकलॉग भी तो है, ऐसे भी तो हैं जो जंगलों में है या रूरल एरियाज में है या गांव में है जिनको पता ही नहीं है, वो तो अभी बैठे ही हैं. अडल्ट पेशेंट्स भी आते हैं हमारे पास आजकल, बहुत सालों से आ रहे हैं. तो इस कहने का मतलब ये है कि अवेयरनेस के क्षेत्र में जितना काम किया जाए वो कम है. देयर इज नेवर इनफ. आई मीन आई डोंट सी आवरसेल्व्स सेइंग कि ओके एवरीबॉडी इन दिस कंट्री इज अवेयर, everything is fine, everyone knows about clefts. No, I don't think so.
Right. I mean, there is a lot of work to be done towards that, definitely. And two organizations like Himalaya Wellness Company and Smile Train coming together with help of such partners like Dr. Nitin Mokal and bringing in a celebrity like Mr. Kulkarni, who himself spreads the message through this initiative. I think we are going to do wonders in this year, especially in Maharashtra and hopefully around the country as well. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining us today at Ek Naveen Muskan's launch. And thank you so much once again. With
Thank
that,
you.
Thank you.
thank you. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the end of our event. And before we let you go, I'd like to once again welcome Mr. Rajesh Krishnamurthy to come forward and conclude the event and deliver the vote of thanks. A very warm welcome, Mr. Krishnamurthy, once again.
Kathy, and thank you for really taking the event well and organizing it and planning it well. I want to extend my vote of thanks to a few individuals who took time to make this event memorable for us. First of all, Mr. Atul Kulkarni, thank you for accepting our offer as from the beginning and being part of this event. We really are fortunate to have you here. Ms. Mamta Carroll, as always, your support and motivation to do this event every year for us. Anjali also is here in Smile Train. I want to extend thanks to her also too. Dr. Nitin Mokal, Senior Plastic Surgeon. Again, thank you, sir, very much for taking the lead in Maharashtra and looking forward to your support in executing and implementing this plan. Last but not the least, I also want to recognize some of the key people in Himalaya who work behind the scene. Sushil Goswami, Varman, Johnny, Sabika, the agency, and our agency partners who have really worked in the last couple of months behind the scenes to make this event successful. Thank you so much for everybody. And really congratulations on World Smile Day to launch an event in Maharashtra.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh. Our gratitude on behalf of Smile Train and all the children, all the doctors, a very deep gratitude to you and your team for the partnership with Smile Train to help so many children. And this initiative of yours, which goes state by state, I know we have a partnership since 2015, has really created a lot of awareness. So thanks to you and your team for helping us. So thank you very much. And also take this opportunity to thank Mr. Kulkarni. I think people of his stature and of his aura and the kind of energy that he has via his profession, attracts a lot of awareness. And I thank him from the deepest core of my heart to take this cause forward. So thank you, Mr. Kulkarni, and thank you for your endorsement.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mokal. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of our afternoon. I would once again like to thank each and every one of our guests for giving us their precious time today. आज आमच्या प्रत्येक पाहुण्यांना त्यांचा अमूल्य वेळ दिल्याबद्दल मी तुमचा खूप खूप आभार मानते. मैं आपकी होस्ट ख्याति कावा आपसे अलविदा लेती हूँ इसी आशा के साथ कि दोबारा किसी भी नन्ही सी मुस्कान को मुखौटों के पीछे छुपना ना पड़े, क्योंकि मुस्कान है सबका हक और उम्मीद है कि हंसी हो हर जिंदगी का हिस्सा. They say that smile can change the world, and wouldn't it be a pleasure to put a smile on those innocent faces? So spread the word and join with all your heart in making this initiative reach maximum kids. Until we meet again next year, stay safe, keep smiling and spreading smiles. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.